Thousands of travelers come to Kurchi and Irpu for the scenery, the mist, the waterfalls, and the perfect escape. But behind the postcards, the families who call these hills home face a different reality. On December 17th, we went beyond the tourist trails, in the shadows of the lush plantations and deep tribal hamlets. We found a community where the nearest doctor is often a long journey away. For the plantation workers and families here, the hills are beautiful, but healthcare is a necessity they shouldn't have to wait for. A medical mission arrived to bridge that gap because the true strength of these hills isn't it in the waterfalls, it's in the people who nurture this land. By bringing care to their doorstep, we ensure the heartbeat of the forest remains strong. In the heart of the hills, we are making sure that no one is left behind in the mist.
ಫೋನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಲ್ಲ 94835045. ಅక్కడ ಹೋಗಿ ಯಾರು ಇಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಹೊಸ ಜಾಗ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಬಂದಾಗ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜನ.
Support the continuation of this vital service, like this video, subscribe for more updates and join us in transforming tomorrow.